Kiki, why don't you sit down and open it?
Awesome! What is it? You want to see it?
It's a rocket ship. You think it's a rocket ship?
Oh my gosh.
Cool hat. Put it on.
Oh my gosh.
Let me see.
So cool.
Let me see, Adam.